will New York City pay for my broken water main? Common question we receive all the time. It can be misleading. That means leaking in the street, you're not sure if it's your responsibility or not. As a homeowner, you're responsible for your water main from the inside of the building all the way to the actual tap connection on the city main. Now in other areas in New York, like Westchester and Long Island, the city actually does, those towns and villages, they'll pay for the water mains up to the property line. But unfortunately in the New York metro area, that is not the case. Now there are some examples to where New York City will cover the cost of a broken water main, such as a 3-day notice in error. There's a leak in the street, DEP is notified that there is a leaking water main. They come and they run their tests through sound. They'll test your house, the neighbor's house, they'll determine which home gets the 3-day. Now if you receive that 3-day notice, you hire a contractor like ourselves. We would open the street first, turn off the water main, and test to make sure that it was your leak or not. If you're not, DEP is immediately notified, and there is a process to which you can file for them to cover the costs. Another circumstance could be if a utility contractor or there's work being done in the street and they hit a water main or your water main, those repairs may be covered or can be covered for no cost to you. Now there are other issues that happen where you're excavating the street, they open it up and they find that there's actually water leaking. This is an unfortunate situation because they had found a water main leak, they didn't hit anything. As something that's been going on for a while, the city is notified, you receive a 3-day notice, and you would have to cover the cost for the repairs at that time. So if you find yourself in one of these situations that we've discussed, it's not expected that you would know exactly what to do or where to turn. You could find plenty of information regarding these at our website at harriswatermain.com. Thank you.